Alright guys, I'm not even kidding, this is the second time I'm filming the intro. The first one was 6 minutes long. Let's see if we can do this in a much better time. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Sparkle & Co. Surprise Me subscription box review video for you. Last month I was contacted by Sparkle & Co. to review one of their subscription boxes, and this month I decided to try one of them on my own. I will leave for you all the details in the description box. Please make sure that you check it and read any information on the box itself and what box options they offer there. As I already filmed this intro and it was just way too long while I was trying to explain everything to you. If you have any questions on the box itself, just leave them for me in the comment section and I will be happy to answer for you everything that you were not able to find on Sparkle & Co.'s website. They also gave me a 15% off discount code. You can use this on any of their products. The code does not apply to their subscription boxes. However, they have a great referral program, so if you mention my name, my social media credentials, Judita Coyle or Judinka Nail Art, you will receive some referral money and I will also receive some referral money. So I will be using any money made based on your support to purchase more of these boxes or more products from Sparkle & Co. I'm not gonna make it any longer than it's necessary. As I said, I will leave for you everything in the description box, and I also have a previous video where I'm talking about the subscription boxes in more details, so make sure that you go and watch that video as well. If you do like reviews and subscription box reviews especially, then don't forget to thumbs up this video for me. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Now I will jump into the box review itself. Surprise & Me subscription box is for kind of like a mix of products that Sparkle & Co. offers. So in this box, in this particular box, you will get a dip powder, regular polish and gel polish. It also comes with some products that you need to create your manicure, so each box has one of these products. In mine I received the glossy coat. I already received that from the company, so I'm not showing it to you here, but I will use it when I'm showing how to apply the dipping powder. And this month we also got some cute unicorn stickers, and you can see it right now, but underneath this I also have a Sparkle & Co. nail art mat. It's pink and I absolutely love it, so I will show you also in more detail that one. So let me show you some close-up and then I will show you how the dipping powder applies, and I will also swatch the polish and the gel polish on my nails. Alright, so I can zoom you more in. So this is the mat that was in the box. It actually came in a little bag this time. So it has the sparkleandco.com on the bottom. It's pure pink, so anything you see underneath it is a different mat that I use for filming. And then it also has the Sparkle & Co. Luxe nails. And as I mentioned, this month theme is unicorn, so you can tell me what is your unicorn name. We also got You Are Magical. That's mainly, I believe, for, you know, if you have a diary or planner. Then we also got this cute unicorn sticker. I really like it. And they also provided these cute unicorn stickers for your nails, so I will be showing you today also how they apply. So far so good. I really actually like this box and I'm very happy that I did purchase it. And here you have some more information on the box itself. Please feel free to pause the video here if you would like to read through it. guys, what are your thoughts on the Sparkle & Co. Surprise Me subscription box? I really liked it. I was very excited as I was taking out everything that was in the little baggie. This time it didn't come necessarily in a box, but I am really happy with everything that I received. As far as the dipping powder goes, I believe you are better off if you only do one coat. If you want to do 2 coats, then make sure that you have an even layer on the first coat, so first file down everything and then apply the second coat. Other than that, I absolutely love it. It will be such a cute dipping powder for some fun accent nails. The gel polish was a little sheer, so I would recommend you to layer it over probably some darker base coat, black, navy blue. It still built up pretty nice, and it gave kind of like a French manicure feel on my nails because the white of my nails was peeking through a little bit, and I kind of liked it. So I am still very happy with the gel polish as well, and the stickers are absolutely cute, so I definitely will be using those unicorn stickers again in the future. The regular polish wasn't bad. The formula on that one is a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you are able to build it up on 2 coats. It's completely opaque. I would recommend you to either put a double base coat or a peel off base coat underneath it because it's quite gritty. All in all, I am very happy. Also, the matte, nail art matte, I'm always in need of new ones and I love to use them for filming as my background, so I am very happy about that one as well, and I will be definitely using that in the future. So let me know what are your thoughts. If you maybe are thinking about getting one of the subscription boxes from Sparkle & Co. As I advised, they have different, I think 6 or 7 options, I'm not sure right now, that you can choose from. You can also use my discount code. That one is not good on the box or the subscription, but it is good on all of their products that are on the company's website. If you are getting a subscription box, don't forget to mention and check out my social media credentials, and that will give you a little bit of extra money as a referral. It is definitely an affiliated referral and affiliated code, but please feel free to use my credentials and my code if you would like to save some money. I'm looking forward to the September box. I'm hoping it's Halloween themed. So far, as I said, I am very happy with the August box, so I would definitely like to try at least one more month. Okay guys, so thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to